Hello again, everyone. Now we can just go to the second section inside our template, which is the features. But before that, I noticed that the button is not, it's not displaying in a proper way. So if you press on the button, it's not activating, or it's just a styling problem because it's like something a layer hiding this button behind it. So we need to change the Z index for those layers inside the heading. So basically, we can go to our landing page CSS. Basically, we need to change the overlay for the masthead. So I'll change the Z index into 100. Now it's minus 10 for this. I need this behind the button. So after that, we need to target our button. So in this case, masthead button. And for this, I will change the Z index into 10. And also for the header masthead, this section, we need to change the Z index into 100. Okay. After saving and reload, uh, Control F5 to clear the cache. Now we can see that the button is activated. So if we press on that, it will take us to this link. Okay. So now it's working. Let's add the functionality into this section. So basically, it's a section with 3 columns. For each column, we are displaying a feature. Also, we have an icon for each feature of these. So to do so, we need to go to our customizer, and let's add a new section. So what I will do is put this line, and then here we can copy. Actually, we can copy the settings here. So let's copy this, and also the enable. Let's copy all of these. So let's get back and paste that in. So for features section, we need to change the heading into, oops, let's change this. Features section. So for the titles, it will be features capital, and for the options, it's going to be F. Change this into 3, and enable features. Okay, enable features. And okay, so let's save and let's get into our front page. And here inside for this section, so basically we need to add if statement. So if true equals to get theme mod, and we need to call features enable, and is there a default value? No, there's no default value. So let's close the tag down here. Okay, and if Let's save. Okay, let's get back here. We have a new section for features, so let's click on that for the enable uncode error. Go get theme. We forgot the E in the where's that? It's right here. Okay, let's save now and let's reload. Okay. For the features, okay, it's disabled. Let's enable that. It's not enabled for some reason. Okay. Okay. I think features enable. So let's check the name. Enable features, not features enabled. So let's copy this and get back and paste, save, and reload features. Okay. Now it's working. Okay. Good. So also we need to add options for the title and for the description for each feature. Okay, so let's get back and let's go up here into where we add the text for the title. Okay, this one, and also we need to grab the description. So let's copy these. Let's get back down here and let's paste that here. Okay, so for feature one, I will call this F1, F1, or for feature one title text. So for the name, oops, it's doing that. So I will change this into F1. Sorry about this. Sorry, I need to take this call. Sorry about this. Sorry about the interruption. So I had to take that call. So we were about to change the F1. So I will change this to feature one title. Okay, and for the, let's change this into, we can do that. Okay, heading title, feature one title. And for this, it's the features section. And for the setting is this one. So this is the second. Okay. For description, I need to change these. Maybe we can. Okay. Let's change this one. F1 description. This is a description. Can make this smaller, and F1 feature one. Sorry about that, but we had to do these repetitive things. It's feature features. This one is one, and this is the third option. Okay, let's save. Let's get into here and reload. Okay, so now we have feature one title and the feature one description. So let's link. Uh, but before that, we need to add the icon for that feature. So basically, what I will do is to import feature. Sorry, it's font awesome. We need to import font awesome to our theme and use it, implement it, and integrate it with our composer, and then we can use it as an icon library for our theme. So um, if we go to, what is it? If we go to icon or O2 icon picker control. Actually, there's multiple ways to implement the icon picker, but I found that it's much easier uh, to use this library for WordPress. So let's open this and see. Okay, that's it. So basically, we need to go. Uh, use a lot of things. You can go to the library here. So let's go to the library. And for the library, we need to go to O2 here and download that library. And then we need to define auto directory and define auto directory URI, and then we need to require the PHP file, and then we can use it. You can use these add settings and add setting and add control. We can instantiate this class, which is auto customizer icon picker control, and you can put some you can limit the choices of the picker into these icons if you don't want to display all the icons. Okay, so basically we need to download that. So I already download that library. So let's open the file, and inside it we have controls, and we need basically to grab this icon picker. So actually, let's go to our Apache folder inside opt, lamp, and htdocs, and wp bootstrap blog, uh, themes. Okay, side ink, I will grab the O2. Okay, and let's rename this into O2. And inside it we need just the color or the icon picker. Okay, so let's just try it for now. Let's go to let's close this. So basically we need to import these settings. So let's copy. Let's go to at the top here. Okay, beneath the color pickers, let's paste that here. Okay, and include O2 icon picker. Okay, so for the define, let's define okay, directory, and for the require, we need to require this file, which is inside O2 controls and the icon picker. Is that right? So basically it's inside O2, inc O2 and controls, okay, and icon picker, which is this one, and then we go to this file. Okay, so let's try that. So after importing that, you can basically go down here, and for the feature one, let's add it's not it's feature one here. So down here, let's add a new option for the icon. So let's call this feature one icon, and basically we need to go, let's copy the example here. So if we copy this, get back and paste, you can see that we need to add the setting name. So I will call this let's call this F1 icon. Okay, and for it should be the same here. So let's make sure to change both of these. And for the default, it's the Facebook icon, capability, and what else? We have label, feature one label, or feature one icon, and description, choose an icon for feature one. Okay, icon set section, it should be a features section, and for the priority it will be for, let's see, it should be, we're on features, so it's the second. Okay, and that this one should be the third, and this is the fourth one. Okay, so let's make sure everything is good. Let's save, and let's get back into our customizer, and let's reload. We have uncaught error, yeah, control not found. So oops, I think we should import these in the functions, these files. Yeah, I think so. So let's cut these, and let's get into our functions file, and let's go down here before the customizer. Okay, let's we have, let's paste that here. Okay, let's save, let's reload, close this, and for the features section, And here we go. Here we have our font awesome icons. So that's perfect. Okay. So now we have the font awesome icons inside our customizer. So if we go to if you go to actually, let's implement it inside our section. So let's go to here, and basically we need to add the icon instead of this icon, and this template they are using uh, a library for icons called icon screen, I guess, or some other icon library, but I'm not sure about the icon library name. So we just need to get rid of these and use the font awesome. So basically we need to echo get theme oops, get theme mod, and for this we need to put, in our case we need to put let's get down. Okay, so let's grab this F1 icon and get into here, paste that here. Okay, and then we should put a default value. So I'll choose Facebook just to try this, and let's reload. Okay, it should display something here actually, and um, I think we forgot to, yes, we forgot to import the font awesome library inside our theme. So basically we need to go to our header here. As you can see, we imported Bootstrap as well. We need to import font awesome library. So let's go to let's close these. Let's go to font awesome. I think we should have some CDN link inside here. Okay, so we need to okay. Where's the CDN? It should be something like, okay, forget about this. Let's search for font awesome CDN. Okay, let's take this. And let's grab, actually we need the fifth one. Let's make sure about the version they are using for font awesome here. First font awesome. I think it's the fourth version for font awesome. So let's grab the link, or that's the HTML link basically. So let's copy and let's get back, and let's paste that here, and let's put a comment. Font awesome core CSS. Let's save. Okay, and let's get back here into, oops, let's get back here and reload. And you can see that we have an icon. So let's reload here. Okay, so we have an icon here. But basically, because we removed the let's see, we removed the margin, these classes. We have margin auto and text primary. So let's copy these and let's put that after a space, paste that here. Now let's save. Let's get back and reload. And now we have our styling and our icon. Okay, so if we change that from, why it's not displaying? It's weird. So if we change that into music, FI. Hmm, third. That's weird, isn't it? I think it's weird. Why it's just displaying this? Okay. If we save and get back, that's not good. I think we need to change that into Font Awesome 5. So let's grab the five, the fifth version of Font Awesome. So let's grab this. Let's copy. It's the version 5. Okay. Let's get back into the header and let's replace this link with this one. Let's save. Okay. Let's see if that works. It's not working. There's something wrong with this. Okay. It's not working. Okay, sorry about that, but I think we need to, let me check something. So the problem is that we forgot to add the FA class first before implementing or paste the customizer value. So basically, we need to just add the FA class before copying or getting the value of the customizer. So now also we need to get rid of this FA because we already have FA here. So let's save and let's get back and let's reload and let's get here. Now we can see that we have the right icon, so we can change that from here. Okay, and now it's working. Okay, so let's publish and let's reload, and here we go. Okay, so that was my fault. Sorry about that. So after implementing the icon, we need to implement the text, and also we need to implement the description. So let's make that. Let's echo get theme mod, and for the value we need to FA text. Oops. So let's close this and go back here. for the text, default value was the same here, same one, which is the feature one title. Let's copy, let's paste. Okay, and the same process for the description. So let's add this here, paste. We need the FA desk, I think. So yes, it's desk. And then for the description, let's add the same defaults description. Okay. Let's save and let's get back and reload. Okay, now we have the values from our customizer. Okay, so that's good. That's perfect. I will end the video right here, so you can implement with the same exact process. You will need just to change in the customizer. You will change the 1 into 2 and 3, and then you just need to copy and paste and implement the same process for the other two features. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and sorry for the confusing. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.